By the end of this video, you'll gain a deep understanding of how to work out properly, ensuring you maximize results while minimizing the risk of injury. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your technique, these tips and exercises will guide you towards achieving your fitness goals effectively. Title: How to work out properly. Have you ever wondered if you're exercising correctly to achieve your fitness goals? Today, we explore the fundamentals of proper workout techniques that will help you get the most out of your training sessions. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos just like this one. Let's start by discussing the importance of warming up and cooling down during your workouts. These crucial steps prepare your muscles for exercise and aid in recovery, reducing the risk of strains and soreness. Visual demonstrations will accompany each exercise to illustrate proper form and technique. From strength training to cardio workouts, we'll cover a range of exercises designed to target different muscle groups effectively. Proper breathing techniques play a significant role in maximizing your workout performance. We'll delve into how to synchronize your breathing with each movement, enhancing endurance and overall workout efficiency. Hydration and nutrition are key factors in supporting your fitness journey. We'll touch upon the importance of staying hydrated before, during, and after workouts, as well as fueling your body with nutritious foods to optimize energy levels and recovery. As we conclude, consider subscribing to our channel for more fitness tips and workout routines tailored to your needs. Your engagement helps us grow and support more individuals on their fitness journey. In summary, mastering proper workout techniques is essential for achieving your fitness goals safely and effectively. Implement these tips into your routine to enhance your performance and overall well-being. 1 second lesson. Maximize gains with Dynamize ESO 100 and Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard Whey. Gluten-free, high-protein blends for muscle growth. Links in the description. Elevate your fitness game. Let's continue a video's main topic.